everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you cannot connect to App Store. If you're not being able to connect to your App Store and whenever you open up your App Store, you can see this kind of an error message, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. The first fix that you could try out if you're not being able to connect to your App Store is to make sure that your device is connected to the internet. Try switching between Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can simply turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it back again and see if that fixes your issue. Once you have a strong internet, you should be able to work with your App Store just fine. Once you're done with it, if your App Store has been started working back again, then that's great. But if it still does not fix the issue, then the next thing to do is to make sure that you are using the latest version of your iOS. Go to Settings from your iPhone and check if there is any software update available. Tap on Software Update and update to the latest version of your iOS. Tap on the Install Now button, and once you are done, go back to your App Store and see if that fixes the issue. If it still does not work, then the next thing to do is to check the date and time. Make sure that the date and time on your device are set correctly for your time zone. On your iPhone, tap Open Your Settings app and under Settings, go to General, tap on Date and Time under General and check if your time is up to date. Make sure to turn on the Set Automatically button in order to update your time zone automatically. Once you are done, go back to your App Store and see if that fixes your issue. Those were some of the fixes that you could try out whenever you're not being able to work on with your App Store or your App Store is just not opening up. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.